Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SNT. SNT has already broken out a very big falling wedge pattern on this 7 days time frame chart. You can see after the breakout, it got rejected by this long-term resistance zone that starts from 3.2 cents and goes to 4 cents. And after this rejection, the price line again retested the previous resistance of the wedge as a support and also tested this long-term support here at 1.85 cents. And in today's video, we will analyze this move and I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for SNT that I shared almost 24 hours ago with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 12% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for SNT. And this is a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that SNT has formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price then started a very nice reversal. First, it again dropped down inside this buying zone here. Then we had a nice reversal, and you can see it rallied here inside the sell target zone. And so far, it has pumped almost 12%. And I'm expecting that this move can be bigger one because at the same time, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see it has once again reached the resistance zone, a quite long-term resistance zone that starts from 3.2 cents and goes to 4 cents. And previously, if we what the history of this resistance and support zone, then here you can see when the price end was entered inside the support and resistance zone, then we had a short pump, and again price line could not break it down here. Then finally we broke it down, and after this breakdown, you can see it was flipped into a resistance, and then we had a quite strong rejection by this resistance zone here. And here for almost 3 or 4 weeks, it had been breaking as a resistance zone. Then here you can see it has been working as a support. And now after this breakdown, you can see it is again flipped into a strong resistance. And you can see for the past several months, the price line is getting rejected again and again by this resistance on that starts from 3.2 cents and goes to 4 cents. And by the way, here we have a very long-term key support zone at 1.85 cents. And you can see previously this level had been working as a support here, and support here. And before breaking out this falling wedge pattern, you can see we bounced from the support and the support of this falling wedge pattern as well. By the way, this was a quite big falling wedge pattern. You can see we entered the wedge here in the month of April 2021. And now recently we have broken out. By the way, we broke out here in the month of Feb 2023. And now the price line is again geared up. And I'm expecting that after breaking out this long-term resistance on, it can continue its move to the upside. Therefore, we need to watch out for this resistance on to be broken out. At the same time, you can see that stochastic has giving us the buying signal, like this blue line has crossed with the orange line, and it is moved up and moved out from this oversold zone, and now it is entered the stochastic body. Therefore, now there is a probability that this move to the upside for the long term can be continued. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this breakout from this falling wedge pattern that is here at the top of the wedge, that is approximately at 30 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.